you so much for your time just to go through this very quick video on how to sign up using my affiliate link here on GiANT TV. What this will do at the introductory stage will give you a free account and access to a small amount of the GiANT resources. We will have other conversations around what the opportunities are for you, your team, and your organization with regards to other issues and other resources that are available. But for now, what I want you to be able to do is easily and quickly use my affiliate link to sign up for GiANT TV. So I will do this as we speak, and I'll use my Gmail email address as well. And assuming that everything works the way it should, you'll see an example of what will happen along the way. So it's name, email address, confirmation of password, and everything that goes with it. Create the account, and once that's created, what it gives you is everything you need. And this is where this becomes really important. This bottom right hand button is how you are able to access and what you are able to access. So this now believes that I've created, through the Rohan Dredge affiliate link, a way of being connected. And once you click on that button, and you just click off the screen to take it out, you click on that button and it lets you have a look at all the different things that need to that you get access to. Now, there's over 700 episodes on TV. You get access with a free account to a lot less than that. But let's start with the assessments. This is what's really important from the very first time you've decided to engage with this. You're actually now able to do the 5 Voices assessment online inside the ecosystem where you and I are discussing leadership and leadership development. And I think that is a fantastic advantage for us all. Now, at more significant levels of engagement, this then becomes important for organizations, for teams. Now, these actual assessment results are not public information to everybody else. They are to me as the leader of the ecosystem as it stands, but not to everybody else. And as the series of improvements rolls out in the GiANT website, we will be able to begin to map people's voices and voice orders across organizations as well. So once you've done the assessment, you then get to have a look at what the potential pathways are for you as well. So if we look there, you're able to look at a Team 360, but you can see that's padlocked. So all these things in here are padlocked, and that's what you get access to at higher levels of the commitment. When you go through to the actual homepage of GiANT TV, you then get a look at what you've got access to. So if we click firstly on the 5 Voices assessment, because you'll have done the assessment itself, you can look at a video about different parts of the 5 Voices system. So for example, I'm a first voice connector, and I would click on that if I had access to GiANT TV. I don't, I've got the introduction, so I'll click on that and you can take a look. This is Steve Cockram. He and Jeremy Kubicek are the founders of the 5 Voices system, and he introduces that in the way that will help us train and help us understand. This is a really good example of how the online ecosystem can actually work. So with that in mind, you get to see some of the things that you can take a look at. Now, with a free account, you get access to a small number of the resources. So again, let's use as an example the 100x leader. You get to look at the first 3 videos of what a 100x leader is. Now, once we navigate our way through the 5 Voices experience, we then move on to the 100x leader experience. And I'll give you a quick look at that as well. Jeremy Kubicek, the other founder of GiANT Worldwide and the system. And there's a lot of other resources that go with that. I won't take you through that ad nauseum. But the key here is, with this free account, you get access to a handful of resources, you get access to a few things along this right-hand side, and then you decide whether you want to join in at the employee level, the Sherpa level, or the guide level, and these are increasing levels of investment. I think that is enough for us for now. Enjoy the free account, enjoy escalating or engaging at a higher level should you choose to, and reach out if I can do anything to help. Thank you so much.